Have you ever wondered what drives a woman to choose you? If you are interested in a girl and desperately want her to love you back, there are some ways to inspire her interest. Believe in love. None of these easy ways to make a girl fall in love with you will work unless you believe in love in the first place. So make sure you are psychologically geared and fit for the kill. It is especially important that you love yourself first, because only when you do will the universe ensure that these easy ways to make a girl fall in love with you bring the desired results. Women love confident men. If you're direct and confident, while others remain passive, there's no contest, you'll already be the clear winner in her eyes, and any girl can fall in love with you with easily. Confident men are sexy as hell. Confidence stems from being secure with yourself, and it takes confidence to be direct. Look great. The first thing women will notice about you is your grooming habits. This includes your hairstyle, facial hair, perfume, and overall cleanliness. Women love a man who knows how to take care of himself. Give her a reason to notice you. If you want the girl to fall in love with you, you have to catch her eye. Be friendly and approachable, and to stand out to her in some way. Studies show that girls usually value social traits like friendliness and kindness even more than physical attractiveness. Make the first move. The first thing that you need to consider when you want to learn how to make a woman fall in love with you is that women will only fall for a man when they are convinced that he is self-confident enough to make the first move. It is your job to approach her and to enjoy her smile when she realizes for the first time that she is falling for you. Listen and respond. If you want to learn how to make a woman fall in love with you, you should learn how to listen. A lot of men never do it, and even more of them don't care about the words a woman says. Listening to her gives her the feeling that you respect her and her opinion, and that you truly want to get to know her. As a little bonus, she will tell you everything you have to know in order to make her yours. Display maturity. It's always said that women mature faster than guys, and are often found complaining about how immature they act. So if you want that any girl fall in love with you, impress her with the way you deal with situations and your outlook on the whole. Show her how responsible you are about finances or serious you are about your career. And demonstrate your ability to think clearly and rationally when disagreements crop up or a conflict of interests presents itself. Protect her like a girlfriend. Basically, you're now another potential friend to her. When you are together, be aware of her physical surroundings. Put her in a better seat, shield her from the sun, ask her if she is cold, comfortable, needs a drink. And even before she realizes it, both of you would be dating. And she would be madly in love with you already. Touching her lightly and casually. But keep in mind that you have to touch her in a smooth, natural, normal way. You can lightly put your hand on her back while crossing the street, take a high five with her, casually rub her head or touch her earlobe while admiring her earring. You need to be a gentleman in her eyes, thereby trying to make it as naturally as possible. Staying on her mind and make her miss you. This is a short phase you need to make her go through for a few days, so she can realize just how much she likes you once you're past the other steps. When you're having an interesting conversation with her, tell her you have to go and hang up just when the conversation starts to get interesting. It's the easiest way to help her realize how much she needs you in her life, and she will fall in love with you in next second. Don't give her all the control. Make it clear that you have a set schedule and that you can't just chat for hours whenever she feels like it. But don't be too harsh about it. Sometimes a long conversation can be the perfect thing to solidify your relationship. Staying busy and active will make you a more appealing partner to any self-sufficient girl. You have to be real. If you are contemplating for some breathtaking, long-lasting relationship, then don't fake yourself. Honesty is the key to her heart. So you don't need to put on that macho man attitude or do extreme workout to have the six-packs. No need to copy-paste your character and style. Just be yourself. Eye contact. Eye contact is the most common indicator a girl is interested in you. If she's looking at you about 70% of the time while you're talking, and about 50% of the time while she's talking, it's a good sign that she's interested in the interaction. Give her compliments. Who doesn't like a nice compliment now and then? Just please don't give her fake praise, or she will kick your butt to the curb fast. Make sure the compliment is genuine and sincere and not too deep. Make her feel special. In order to get the girl's attention and to keep her interested, you have to show her that she's special and that she really stands out to you. Tell her why you think she's different from her friends or the other girls out there. Give her sincere compliments and tell her how cool it is to get to know a girl like her. Give her space. Don't be possessive and make her account to you regarding her whereabouts. Let her know you trust her. Don't expect her to spend all her free time with you. Let her have her own life too. Often when in a relationship, people make the mistake of spending every waking moment that they can manage together, and in the process, alienate themselves from friends, and even lose their identity. Let her be her own person. Be addictive. What creates an addiction, or even an obsession? Mixed signals. Women know this intuitively, and many are very good at playing this game with guys. They are experts at playing the come here, no, go away game. Do some of that. You don't even have to take it to any extremes, showing a lot of interest one day, and then dropping completely off the radar for a while, only to throw her another bone once your back is plenty, and will do the trick just fine. Be honest about everything. Let her know that you don't know whether this thing between you and her will be friendship, a short passionate fling, or the beginning of a love story. In the same way, you should also be honest about everything else. Of course, being mysterious is attractive, but if there is something she wants to know, in order to trust you 100%, you should not hesitate to share it with her. Leave a message. Whether it's your first date or the 10th, leave a message asserting how much you enjoyed your time with her and how you can't wait to see her again. Many chemical triggers in the brain impact how and who we fall in love with. While these processes are beyond one's control, what is in our control are the first impressions, the way we speak and carry ourselves, and also the feeling of mutual admiration that can be brought about through proper body language and conversational skills. And this video will help you to make any girl fall in love with you. Well, that's all for today. Of course, if you like these tips to make any girl fall in love with you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And most important, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more interesting videos. See you next time. Bye bye.